Are you struggling to decide which university is right for you? Don't worry, you're not alone. Choosing the right university can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can find the perfect match for your career goals and aspirations. Let's explore a comprehensive guide to help you make this crucial decision. The first step is to clearly define your career goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to do after university? Whether you aspire to become a software engineer, a doctor, an entrepreneur, or something else entirely, having a clear goal will help you identify universities that align with your aspirations. Even if you're unsure about specific career paths, having a general idea can guide you. Choose a university that offers flexibility and robust programs in your areas of interest. To refine your goals, consider exploring career forecasting reports, attending informational webinars, or consulting professionals in your field. This proactive approach can help you align your education with future demands and trends. Next, dive into thorough research on potential universities. Not all institutions are created equal, especially when it comes to specific fields. Begin by analyzing the programs and majors they offer. Do they provide the course you're interested in? Check their reputation in your field of study by exploring rankings, research contributions, and industry recognition. Another critical aspect is the quality of faculty. Experienced professors and state-of-the-art facilities can make a significant difference in your learning journey. Beyond academics, investigate if the university has partnerships with industries and research organizations. Such collaborations often lead to unique learning opportunities, internships, and enhanced resumes. Location is another factor that can significantly impact your university experience. Consider whether you'd prefer to study in a bustling city, a quiet town, or even abroad. Each setting has its pros and cons, from networking opportunities to living costs. Moreover, location often influences internships, job prospects, and cultural exposure. Don't overlook the importance of campus life. Look into student clubs, events, and extracurricular activities that interest you. A vibrant campus environment fosters personal growth alongside academic success. Additionally, ensure the location is safe and accessible. A secure and well-connected area enhances your overall experience and peace of mind. Cost and financial planning are pivotal in your decision-making process. Education is an investment, and it's essential to evaluate tuition fees, living expenses, and other hidden costs. Research the availability of scholarships, grants, and work-study opportunities. Many universities offer substantial financial aid for both local and international students. Some even have financial advisors to assist students in budgeting effectively. Take advantage of these resources to make informed financial decisions and reduce the burden of educational expenses. Another crucial consideration is the university's focus on internships and career opportunities. Strong industry connections, internship programs, and high job placement rates can significantly influence your career trajectory. Investigate the university's career services, such as resume workshops, job fairs, and mentorship programs. Look for institutions with a proven track record of helping graduates succeed in your field. If possible, attend career fairs and networking events hosted by the university to gain insights into the opportunities available. In conclusion, choosing the right university requires careful consideration of your career goals, a deep dive into research, and the clear understanding of what each institution offers. Remember, this is your journey, and the best choice is one that feels right for you. Take your time, weigh your options, and make a decision that sets you on the path to success. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful tips.